The Ministry of Trade, Industry, Regional Integration and Employment hosted the National Employment Forum on Tuesday at the Sir Dawda Kairaba Jawara International Conference Center in Bijilo. The event was held under the theme Creating Employment Through Strategic Investment and Innovation Training. The forum aims to tackle pressing employment challenges, promote job creation, and encourage collaboration between stakeholders in both the public and private sectors. Panel discussions focus on key topics such as the objectives of the National Employment Policy, strategies for job creation and economic growth, and the policy role in supporting regional integration and industrial development. The event brought together members from the diplomatic corps, government officials, business leaders, and private sector representatives. In his opening remarks, the Minister of Trade, Babukar Ojuf, underscores that the theme reflects a collective commitment to advancing employment opportunities through innovative and forward-thinking strategies. He also highlighted the ministry's proposal for public employment programs, including pilot initiatives and comprehensive projects targeting migration and employment creation.
Our convergence this morning, Honorable Minister of Higher Education, underscores the government's unwavering commitment to addressing the key issues at the heart of our employment landscape. Harnessing partner interventions to tackle these pressing challenges of unemployment and underemployment could ensure a united pursuit of coordinated and sustainable solutions. Solutions that will change orientations and job stereotyping of our youthful population, making their first leap into the labor market. To achieve these solutions, my ministry will propose some insightful public employment programs on migration and employment creation today, from pilots to fully fledged programs. My ministry is also cognizant of numerous responsibilities associated with employment creation and labor market coordination for private sector development and consequently poverty reduction and eradication.
The ambassador and head of delegation of the European Union to the Gambia emphasized the importance of creating decent jobs that provide income while respecting fundamental human and workers' rights. She noted that enhancing access to skills training, particularly for youth and women, is essential to driving meaningful job creation.
The European Union, as a long-standing partner and friend of the country, recognized indeed along the government that the economic empowerment of women and young are strategic priorities that require our collective mobilization. When we talk about creating jobs, we aim to create more decent jobs. It means jobs that can not only provide a livelihood, but they're jobs that respect the fundamental rights of human persons as well, the rights of workers in terms of conditions of work, safety, and income.
Representing the Vice President, Minister of Higher Education, Research, Science and Technology, Professor Pierre Gomez, reiterated the government's intensified efforts to create employment opportunities. He pointed to various programs and projects outlined in the new recovery-focused National Development Plan 2023 to 2027, which prioritize economic growth and job creation.
The government has significantly boosted technical and vocational education and training, TVET, as a strategic choice to build the necessary skills for the country's economic and social transformation. This focus on TVET education aims to create jobs and provide our youth with the skills needed to secure employment not only in the Gambia but also abroad. In addition, my government has established several funds to support private sector development, particularly micro, small, and medium enterprises, which hold great potential for job creation and improving livelihoods. We are leveraging our diplomatic relations to negotiate opportunities for supplying surplus labor abroad. To date, we have signed 3 bilateral labor agreements with different countries, facilitating the employment of Gambians overseas.
The representative of the International Organization for Migration highlighted their continued partnership with the Gambia government and stakeholders since 2017. He emphasized their commitment to creating meaningful opportunities for young people, addressing unemployment and tackling the root cause of migration through long-term development initiatives.
IOM has supported the dignified voluntary return of over 13,000 stranded Gambian migrants and supported them with social, psychosocial, and of essence to this forum, economic reintegration opportunities of their choice. Enhance the labor market and migration information system to improve employment, data collection, and planning. Renovated and established job centers in Kanifing Municipality and Basse, with additional centers in Brikama, Soma, and Farafeni scheduled for handover in January 2025.
The UN Resident Coordinator to the Gambia, Carl Frederick Paul, called for bold actions to address youth unemployment. He urged stakeholders to prioritize initiatives such as capacity building tailored to emerging industries and fostering entrepreneurship to equip young people for the evolving job market.
Tackling youth unemployment and unemployment in general requires bold actions that bridge systemic gaps, enhance access to education and training, and empower young people to thrive in an evolving labor market, both locally, regionally, and globally. We must prioritize initiatives such as capacity building tailored to emerging industries, leveraging digital innovation, and fostering entrepreneurship and green job creation. These actions are not only critical to addressing our current unemployment challenges, but also the opportunities that align with the goal number 8 of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, which is to promote, sustain, inclusive, and sustainable economic growth, full and productive employment, and decent work for all.
In his concluding remarks, Minister Jufrey affirmed the government's dedication to implementing the National Employment Policy and Action Plan 2022 to 2026 and enforcing the Labour Act of 2023. He emphasized the government's focus on creating an enabling environment for job creation, promoting private sector-led economic growth, and aligning with global labour market trends. Reporting for Kerfatu, I am Ramatulai Jao.